In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now select System and Update, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. This way you will access keyboard settings. From them, select Corrections and Suggestions, and use this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip: if you decided you do want to use it, click on it on the left to get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. Personally, I think it's making using autocorrection even better, but if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!